Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how we can easily redeem a code in Netflix. So let me just show you how you can do this. First thing you'll have to do is to open your browser. Once in your browser, you will have to head on to your Netflix account. You have to log in, and in my case I'm already logged in, so I'll go on to this. I'll go on to show you how you can do this. First thing you have to do is go on to this profile icon right there, and now go on to this option called set accounts. You'll have to click on that. And now you will have this option under the membership and billing option. You will have this option called redeem gift card or promo code. You will have to click on it, and once you have clicked on it, you can see this. You can see Netflix is asking you to enter your code, so you can put the code right there and click on redeem, and that's how you can easily redeem your Netflix code. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in another exciting video.